If you are a beginner affiliate marketer, you cannot pass up on these top 7 free traffic sources for affiliate marketing. Inside this video, I'm going to show you the top free traffic sources that any affiliate marketer can use in order to get more clicks and sales in their affiliate marketing business. These are all going to be beginner friendly, and you don't even have to show your face, and all of these work extremely fast, unlike places like Google. And here are some of the results that I have gotten by using these free traffic sources in my own affiliate marketing business. So make sure to watch this video all the way through so you don't miss out on any of these top 7 affiliate marketing traffic sources. Starting with traffic source number 1, which is Twitter. As you can see here, I've been able to grow my Twitter account to almost 47,000 followers. And if I click on this tweet right here and I scroll down and I show you the analytics, you can see that I've gotten 135 link clicks just on this one tweet alone. Twitter is one of the best free traffic sources for beginner affiliate marketers. All you have to do is just find viral tweet content, tweet that content out, and then go ahead and post your affiliate link underneath that tweet, and you start getting impressions and clicks on your affiliate links. For example, I created a thread on how to grow a $3,000 per month affiliate marketing business. And as you can see here, it got over 93,000 impressions and 193 profile visits and tons of engagement. And if you scroll down to the end of my thread, you can see here that I left a link in order to make money with this thread. And I was able to get 54 link clicks on my affiliate link inside this one thread alone. With Twitter alone as a traffic source, you could be getting up to 100 clicks a day on your affiliate link. All you have to do is just comment on other people's posts and just tweet out viral content yourself. Make sure to promote affiliate links every day on Twitter, and you should be getting 50 to 100 link clicks with this free traffic source alone. Traffic source number 2 is going to be Pinterest. And the cool thing about Pinterest is you don't even have to have a blog in order to get free traffic to your website. If you scroll down here and we click on this one right here, we can see that this person is using medium.com as their website. So if we click on the link, it just takes you over to medium.com, and you can start a Medium account for absolutely free and start creating content on that account and using Pinterest as your free traffic source in order to get thousands of link clicks on your affiliate links. If we click on her profile right here, we can see that she gets over 40,000 monthly views on her Pinterest account, and she only has 77 followers. So you can do this all through just using medium.com and creating short articles and sending people to those articles, linking out to your affiliate links. And all you have to do is just create simple articles like 9 ways to make $200 without a job, or how to make $100 every single day, or how to make $300 per month with swag bucks. It's all simple articles, and you can link out to those different affiliate links. I know for a fact that you can get paid if you send people to sign up for swag bucks. It's not a lot of money, but if you can send 100 to 200 people a month to swag bucks, you could be making $300 to $500 a month just with Swagbucks affiliate marketing program. What's cool about Pinterest is it's not only a social media platform, it's also a search engine. So we can go ahead and type in something like affiliate marketing, click on the top results, and if we check out the top bar right here, this is going to be the top search terms for affiliate marketing plus whatever these words are. So affiliate marketing for beginners is going to be the second most searched term for affiliate marketing. And if we click right here, we can add Amazon to the keyword, so it even gets more and more niche. So there's tons of traffic to be had on Pinterest, and all you have to do is just send that traffic to a Medium account and link out to your affiliate links to get clicks and ultimately make more money. Traffic source number 3 is going to be Quora. Quora is one of the most untapped traffic sources for affiliate marketers. And all you have to do is just find a certain space and then start creating posts and answering questions inside of that space and then directing people outside of Quora to your links. So let me just show you how to do that. First, you go to Quora and you search for a space. So I'm going to do affiliate marketing as a space. We found it right there. So then you can see that there's over 96,000 followers inside of this space. And then once you're inside of that space, you can go to the questions and you can start answering these different questions that pop up for affiliate marketing. So we can see here that the first one is, how do I start building an email list as a new affiliate? Well, there's only 3 answers right now, and there's 76 people following this question. So you can go ahead and click on it and actually answer that question and start building up authority inside of Quora and then directing people off of Quora to your affiliate links. This is what appears as the first answer for this question, and it's by a guy named Jason Walker. If you scroll down, you can actually see that his answer has gotten 4.7 thousand views and 47 of those. So if we click on his profile, you can see that he's directing people to his link right here in his bio, which is going to be a free online business webinar. That could be his own product, or that could even be an affiliate product. So all you have to do is just answer people's questions with valuable content and send them over to your profile where you can link them out to your affiliate link and start getting sales on Quora. Free traffic source number 4 is going to be Facebook free traffic. Now with Facebook, what you need to do is you actually need to join different affiliate marketing groups. And once you're inside different Facebook groups, you can start posting valuable content and interacting with the different members inside of that Facebook group. And with Facebook, you can actually have up to 5,000 friends. As you can see, I only have 787 friends right now, but you can add up to 5,000 different friends, and you can have even more followers on Facebook. So you can start adding people as friends inside of those Facebook groups and interacting with those different people inside the Facebook groups who could eventually buy your affiliate marketing products. Let me just show you how this works. So these are all the different groups that I have. If I click here and scroll down, maybe we could click on this 3-day business breakthrough challenge. And as you can see, this group has over 19,000 members, and this group is directly related to affiliate marketing. This person right here is doing exactly what I'm talking about. He created a post that's value-based, but it's also showing the different kinds of numbers that he's making with affiliate marketing. So he says in less than 5 months, he made $100,000 in his first 137 days of 2022. So a lot of people are going to be interacting with this post. As you can see, it had 74 comments and 85 interactions with that because he's sharing his journey and he's sharing his results. So people are obviously going to be attracted to that kind of wealth, and they're going to eventually follow him, or he's going to send them friend requests so that he can then market to them on his own personal profile. So let's just go ahead and click on his profile. And as you can see, he has a banner image that talks about a 6-figure marketer helping people to reach 20,000K online. And if we scroll down, you can see that he is marketing to all of his friends on Facebook. And all that he's doing is just showing off his lifestyle of making money online and then traveling the world. So obviously people are going to be attracted to that kind of lifestyle, and they're going to interact with this post and ask him how do they get there and how do they do that. So he's going to send them over to his affiliate link right here, and that's how he's going to be making money with the free traffic source, Facebook. Free traffic source number 5 is going to be Reddit.com. Now I know that Reddit has some pretty strict guidelines and rules when it comes to affiliate marketing and spam. So when you do affiliate marketing on Reddit, you have to be careful with those kind of things. But that doesn't take away the fact that Reddit has a lot of potential when it comes to affiliate marketing. So I just went ahead and I typed in affiliate marketing right here, and as you can see, there are over 105,000 members that follow affiliate marketing on Reddit. But as you can see over here, that you need to have at least 250 karma to post and at least 50 combined karma to comment. So in order to do this method, you first have to start commenting on posts and being engaging and creating valuable content on Reddit before you can actually start promoting links. But let me just go ahead and show you how to go about promoting links in a safe way. So if we go ahead and we just type in affiliate marketing course Reddit into Google, you can see that there's a couple of things that pop up. First one is best way to start. And if we see here, you can see that this was a question. It just says, hey, I'm new to affiliate marketing. What is the best way to start? And as you can see here, somebody said, I came across this article for beginners for affiliate marketing. I hope this would help. But this is probably their article. And inside that article, they're going to have affiliate links. And instead of creating a blog, you can just use something like medium.com, but you can create a helpful article that gives off value and then links people to affiliate links inside of that article. And the biggest thing is just to make sure that you're doing it in a way that comes across as being helpful. And if we click on this other link right here that goes to reddit.com, you can see that there's another way that you can actually do affiliate marketing on Reddit, and that's by giving away free value. So you can see that the pinned comment here is going to be somebody who's giving away their own free affiliate marketing course. So if you give away a free course on Reddit, you're less likely to be downvoted and you're going to be getting more clicks. And ultimately, if you have a email opt-in here, you can collect people's emails and start making money with affiliate marketing on the back end by sending emails to your email list. Okay, so free traffic source number 6 is going to be Instagram. As you can see, this creator here has 49,000 followers on Instagram, but the crazier part is they actually make $30,000 per month with their affiliate marketing business, and Instagram has a lot to do with that. So when it comes to Instagram, you need to be leveraging what is called Instagram Reels, and you also could be giving away testimonials and results inside of Instagram to spark people's interest and get them interested in clicking on the link inside of your bio. And if we click on this link here, you can see that it's actually going to be a email opt-in. If you click on start now, he's going to collect your email, and then most likely this is going to be an affiliate marketing offer on the back end inside of his email list. So Instagram is one of the best free traffic sources when it comes to promoting affiliate marketing products. What you need to be doing though is building a brand inside of a specific niche, and I highly recommend doing the affiliate marketing or the make money online niche because there are so many different programs that you can promote on Instagram. One of the best affiliate marketing products to be promoting on Instagram right now is called Legendary Marketer, and it's the 15-day business builder challenge. And I'm going to go ahead and leave a link right below this video if you want to start becoming an affiliate for Legendary Marketer and promoting this affiliate marketing program. When it comes to Legendary Marketer, you can make huge high ticket affiliate marketing commissions. So you can see here that you can actually make $1,000 here. You can make $1,350 here just for promoting the Legendary Marketer 15-day business builder challenge on Instagram. Free traffic source number 7 is going to be TikTok. And actually, this is my favorite free traffic source right now for affiliate marketing. As you can see, I have over 8,800 followers on TikTok and 21,000 likes. And all I do is just post different 7-second videos in the make money and affiliate marketing space. And I actually get a lot of clicks daily to my affiliate links just by using TikTok. Now, what if you're thinking, I don't really want to show my face on TikTok? Well, then what you can do is you can actually create an account like Hustle to Rich right here, where all you do is you just create a PowerPoint on your computer and then film that PowerPoint with an iPhone or an Android phone. And as you can see, these kind of videos actually get quite a lot of interaction. This one had 46,000 views. This one had 38,000 views. This one had 104,000 views. So if you can take some time and create some simple PowerPoint videos, you can get a lot of traffic to your affiliate links inside of TikTok. Now, the only downfall to this method is you have to have 1,000 followers on TikTok before you can put a link inside your bio, but that's okay because before you hit 1,000 followers, you can send people to your Instagram account and start making money with affiliate marketing that way. If you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok step by step, then I recommend checking out the 15-second free leads program. I'm going to go ahead and leave it down below this video inside the description. It's actually only $1, and it's going to give you everything that you need to know in order to build a TikTok affiliate marketing business. So go ahead and check that out. It's going to be right below this video inside the description. And if you want more content from me about affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. I'm David, and I teach people how to build affiliate marketing businesses with free traffic. So go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and I will see you guys inside of my next video.